guys. Pababa na kami guys. Dito na kami sa Bohol guys. Nagdating na kami. So we are going na naman again to ano guys. Going to Panglao. Yeah. Are you okay there? How's your travel? Everything is okay? Hi! Hi everyone! Yeah! So, hi! Welcome to Bohol guys! Fishing! Welcome to Bohol! Wow! Hello everyone! Hi! Everybody! May magmamay pa sa ano. Marami tayong mga pants doon, banda fishing. Alaw na, luggage natin. So, kukunin pa namin ang luggage namin guys. Marami ditong foreigner guys. Okay, gusto sabihin. Tanta ko naman yung sapatos. Ha? Wala tayo, lita ko pula fishing. Luggage guys to pick. Kaming tao. So, saan kaya sa amin hala? Saan kaya sa amin dito banda guys? How about mine? Over there. Siya asa na? Ayun, doon sa'yo. Yung naka-blue. Ayun, oo. Yung cover. Hindi, yan. So, we go na. Busy namin guys, very long day travel. Oh, so ganito pala dito guys sa pier dito ng Bohol guys. Oh, yan ang makikita mo, yan Tagbilaran, Bohol. So yan ang sinakyan namin guys, Ocean Jet from Tagbilaran. So we are here now in, from Cebu. So we are here now in Tagbilaran, Bohol. So yun lang guys, for today's another vlog, another day. Thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed day everyone.